Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to watch your favorite shows in another language or browse the Netflix interface in your native tongue? In this video, I'll show you how to change it, as it only takes a few clicks to adjust the language for both the shows themselves and the overall Netflix display. Let's go. Changing the language in Netflix can be done for the entire app interface and individual movies or TV shows. To change the language for the entire Netflix interface, open your app. Click on your profile display. Tap the menu bar and select Account from the options. Here you'll see that some account features are unavailable on the app. Click on the hyperlink to access other parts of settings. Sign into your account. Scroll down and go to Edit Settings. Under Profile Settings Preferences, you'll see Languages. Tap on it and choose your preferred language to display. Once done, relaunch your app, and all the text you see on Netflix has changed. This will affect only the selected profile. Other profiles will retain their original language settings. This process works similarly across different devices, including smart TVs, gaming consoles, smartphones, and tablets. Next is changing the language for a specific movie or TV show. On your Netflix, select the movie or TV show you want to watch. While the title is playing, tap on your screen to bring up the playback options. Click the audio and subtitles icon, usually a speech bubble icon. Under the audio section, select your preferred language for audio. Under the subtitles option, select your preferred language for subtitles if desired. Click outside the menu to return to the playback screen. The audio and subtitle settings should now be in your selected language. Note that not all titles have audio and subtitles available in all languages. If you encounter any issues, it may help to update the app or check Netflix's Help Center for device-specific instructions. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.